In this video we will see how to assign an ortho photo as a texture to a grid. First, we chose the file with the ortho image, in this case in ECW format. Now let's apply a 25% reduction to its resolution, in order to optimize performance. We set the top view and check that it has been imported correctly and the grid is completely covered by the ortho image. Now we select the grid and change the representation type, selecting the texture option and choosing the ortho photo we just imported. Now we turn off the lighting and we can see that the texture has been applied correctly to the entire grid.